Monday morning, October 13th. Here's the Astro Excel pattern for the coming week. Here you can see Friday the 10th. We had the downward move. Both lines were in sync. We had this dive down on the green line, which was part of the power behind this sell-off. And then we went into a bounce mode into last night. So we got our bounce back up, and now we're in this downward drift until tomorrow midday, and then we're pushing up, and then we flatten out early on the 15th with the green line just above the plus 10 line, where it's floating between the 0 line and the plus 15 area for the bulk of the week, but mostly averaging around the 0 line. So it's kind of slightly positive pressure there on the 15th for the rest of the week. Right now we're just pushing down and we're hovering around the 0 line. We're going to bounce around on that, but we're kind of neutral pressure as we get it to the end of the day session today and through most of that tomorrow. Some key spikes that we have coming this week. First one right here was at the early morning high around 4 a.m. Got another spike coming in here about right there, about right where that low came in was that spike. Then we've got two more tops coming, 2000 tonight, and then 1 a.m. early morning of this 14th Tuesday. Big spike low here about 11 a.m. on the 14th. Cursor sticky. Two more lows on the 15th. On the 15th, we've got 10 a.m., then 3 p.m., and then 2200 in the evening. On the 16th, we've got 7 a.m., 10 a.m., and then we've got one late in the afternoon at 3 p.m. here on that low. And then later in the evening at 2300, another top early Friday morning, 3 a.m., and that's the last important spike for the week this week on the blue line.